Greetings from the front of town homestead. We have to find homes for our kitties. This is perhaps the best of our kitties right here. She's fixed, she's affectionate, she likes to cuddle. She doesn't have a really loud purr, but she's a very friendly cat. I call her She Kitty. She's, I guess, my favorite. I'll miss her dearly, but we have to find homes for all these animals. And then here's Figaro. He's a male, unfixed, uh, indoor cat so far. Uh, he was born in the Quonset hut, and he's not old enough to be fixed yet. And then you got BB Kitty. He is old enough to be fixed. If things had been different, he probably would have been fixed soon. It's not rocket science to fix a male kitty. He doesn't like me talking about it. But, yeah, he needs to be neutered, as does little Figaro. And here we have He Kitty, the mate She Kitty. He is fixed. He's very affectionate. He has a very loud purr. He's very demanding on affection. If he comes into your bed at night, he will wake you up and want to be made of. They're all available to a good home. Who have I missed? Have I missed anybody? Oh yes, where's Barn Tiger? Oh, here's Barn Tiger. Well, Barn Tiger's our most recent addition. He's a male. Of course, he's unfixed at that size. He's just developing his purr. He's available. And that's it for the indoor kitties. We've got Barn Tiger's mom is very affectionate. She's out in the barn unfixed. Very, very affectionate, very friendly cat. And we have Siamese cat, who is Figaro's mom, out in the Quonset hut with two black kittens, all unneutered. Excuse me. Siamese cat is a very friendly cat. Not actually Siamese, only looks Siamese. It doesn't have the howl of a Siamese. It doesn't cry like a Siamese. But she's Figaro's mom. BB was raised with a handicapped Amish lady for Figaro's first 12 weeks, 3 months. He was from about 4 weeks old to 16 weeks old. He was with this handicapped lady that just made of him 24 hours a day, pretty much. There's She Kitty. Nope, that's He Kitty. Gotta be able to tell them apart. That's He Kitty. She Kitty's up here. And that's He Kitty. So if you're interested in the cat, message me, respond to this ad, this post. They brought their own cats with them when they came. This is one of them. And there's another gray one like it. I guess they're going to go with them, I'm not sure. But I bet if you asked them nicely, you could have any one of the cats. We're all kind of in a state of shock and wonder as to what's going to go next. But the cats have to go. The cats have to go. She Kitty. That's Gray Kitty. BB and Figaro, and little barn tiger. Message me if you want a cat. I've got a few extras, to say the least. If you need them neutered, let me know. BB I could neuter. I guess he's about the only one that's of size that I could neuter right now. But if you want to learn how to neuter a cat, just watch the videos on neutering a pig and pretend the pig's a cat. Just exactly the same. Make sure you have a bottle of iodine for disinfectant. Only males for cats. You can't do a female cat at home. This female cat, She Kitty, she's all neutered, ready to go, very friendly, and complete disclosure, she does have a foot that's just healing up. She had a bad foot for a week or so. Not sure what happened there, but she's my favorite. Oh, and she does disappear for weeks at a time. She can go off in the woods, be quite happy gone, and come back just as fat as she left. She can live in the wild fairly well. She was our best bouncer. Last night when she came in, she hadn't been in for a while, several days, and she camped out right down by the refrigerator and was watching for a mouse that she knew was there. All right, I'm anxious to get rid of these cats. I'm going to see about getting rid of some lumber now. I've also got any amount of firewood. If somebody wants firewood, I've got any amount of firewood. Message me. Anybody in the area that needs firewood, I have got firewood. Come get it. Everything must go. It looks like we're going to be out of here on or about the 27th. They've got U-Haul coming the 27th, and I come home from a trip on the 27th, and when I come back, I don't think we'll be welcome here as of January 1. So we're in a hurry to get rid of kitties, get rid of wood, find a place to live. All right, God bless. Hope to hear from you.